I am Mirza Salman Beg and today we are going to discuss about electrical properties of colloids. The properties of colloids because of the presence of electrical charge on colloidal particle are called electrical properties of colloids. The charge on colloidal particles arises because of dissociation of molecular electrolyte on the surface. The charge on colloidal particles could also arise because of preferential adsorption of one of the ions of electrolyte, either positive or negative, on the surface of particles. There are several electrical properties of colloids: electrokinetic phenomena, Donan membrane equilibrium, stability of colloids, sensitization, and protective colloid action. In this video, we are going to discuss about electrokinetic phenomena, electrophoresis, electroosmosis, sedimentation potential, streaming potential. Electrophoresis. Electrophoresis is the motion of charged particles through a liquid medium under the influence of an applied electric potential. If an electric potential is applied to a colloid, the charged particles move toward the oppositely charged electrodes. The rate of migration is observed by using ultramicroscope, and it is the function of charge on particles. The rate determining potential for electrophoretic movement of particles is zeta potential. Let us try to understand what is zeta potential. Before we start with zeta potential, we must first know what is shear plane. So let us suppose if particle is present suspended in the liquid medium, there is a presence of electric double layer around the particles. Shear plane is located at the junction BB dash of a tightly bound layer AB and diffusion layer BC. Then what is zeta potential? Zeta potential is the potential difference between shear plane and electroneutral region. Electroneutral region is located away from the particle surface where anion and cation are in equal concentration. This equation gives the zeta potential. Zeta is equal to zeta potential expressed in volts. V is the velocity of migration in centimeter per second. E is the potential gradient in volt per centimeter. Eta is the viscosity of medium expressed in poise. Epsilon is dielectric constant. V by E is known as mobility. If the medium is water, so for a colloidal system at 20 degrees Celsius, the equation reduced to zeta is equal to 141 into V by E. We observe here the term 9 into 10 to the power 4. This is when the zeta potential is expressed in volts. This term will not be present in the equation if zeta potential is expressed in stat volts. Electroosmosis. It is the reverse in principle to that of electrophoresis. If the charged particles are rendered immobile, Liquid now moves relative to the charged particles through the semi-permeable membrane. Liquid moves across the porous plug or membrane relative to the solid particles under the influence of applied electric potential. Sedimentation potential. It is the electric potential induced by the sedimentation of charged particles. If suppose charged colloidal particles are subjected to ultracentrifuge, and if negative charge is present on all the particles, now because of sedimentation the negative charge will accumulate at the bottom of the container. This will increase the negative charge at the bottom of container, while positive charge will automatically generate on distal portion of the container. This will induce a potential difference, and this is known as sedimentation potential. Streaming potential. The electric potential is generated by forcing a liquid mechanically through a bed or plug of charged particles. The potential difference generated is known as streaming potential. We force a liquid mechanically through a bed of charged particles. If suppose in the liquid medium equal amount of negative charge will be present associated with the colloidal particles. When liquid moves, this negatively charged ion will move along with the liquid, but the positively charged particles rendered immobile. Because of this, a potential difference is generated across the medium, and this is known as streaming potential. Thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.